ও তো নিজের মা নেই। ওর বোম্বেতে ওর মা বলে ওকে লাইনে নামিয়ে দেবে, ওর জন্য ওর মা যেতে চায় না। তো এই নিয়ে আমাকে অনেকবার বলেছে এই কথাগুলো, বলেছে কাউকে তুই বলবি না। আমি তো মুন্নার বাড়ির কথা জানি, মুন্নার বাড়ির চাপ আছে, মুন্নার বাড়ি সব বেলায় না, মুন্নু তাই জন্য তো বেরোয় না বাইরে, ওদের সামনেই সব ছেলেদের ক্লাব, কেন ওখানে গেলে ওকে লাইনে নামিয়ে তাই জন্য আর ছাড়ি না। এখানে তো ওর মামি নামাবে, কেন ও টাকাটা পাবে, তাহলে ওর মাকে কেন ছাড়বে?
She cries her eyes out and tears fall to the floor. She works so hard to be just to fall apart. Her heart grows cold again from all the poisons. Her mind can be so goddamn mean. Maybe start your start your love. Maybe start your love. Empty starlight, your light. I would follow you to hell. If you ever cry your eyes out, I will hear you. If they ever lock you up, I'll sleep outside your room. If they try to take you away, I'd make them take me too. Everything will work out fine. Lady Starlight, you're mine. Starlight, you're mine. Lady Starlight, you're mine. Lady Starlight, you're mine. Lady Starlight, you're
I stand before you today as a candidate for the Democratic nomination for the presidency of the United States of America.
There's magic in love. I want a simple life, a price I'm willing to pay. I will believe in my heart that things will work out fine. I'll create in my mind. Time will heal me, because I still believe. Time will heal me, because I still believe. Because I still believe. Oh yeah.
I want to be remembered as a woman who lived in the 20th century and who dared to be a catalyst for change. I don't want to be remembered as the first black woman who went to Congress. And I don't even want to be remembered as the first woman who happened to be black to make a bid for the presidency. I want to be remembered as a woman who fought for change in the 20th century. That's what I want.